G'day all, welcome back. Just wanted to talk about these two particular units. They're same but different. Both 5000 psi at 21 litres a minute, but the configuration and the setup will allow mounting into different access areas. So the reduction gearbox, 1450 RPM, long-term longevity of these large Comet pumps, and I just wanted to show you these two different systems but same side by side. On the roll cage they can come configured on wheels. They do suck a reasonable amount of water, so ideally you want to go back to a water tank and run the bypass back to that tank to keep the pumps nice and cool. Take a look around. Any more information you can see us at ionicsystems.com.au. All the systems are listed there, prices, accessories, everything you need to know about pressure cleaning and soft washing.